Nothing's better than a backyard barbecue, right? But to start, you have to push, scrape, and scrub your hot grill with a wire brush. But look closer. Sharp wire bristles can break off and end up in your food, putting your family in danger. Stop and start grilling safely, America, with Horsepower Giddy Up, the new grill cleaning brush that automatically removes burnt, stuck-on debris, fast, easy, and bristle-free. While the grill is cold, just press on, and Giddy Up blasts away charred meats, sticky sauces, messy oils, and more. It's that easy. Giddy Up works on all types of grill grates. Even messy park grills go from disaster to a sparkling grilling master. Now all your food has a delicious, mouth-watering grill taste. No more scrubbing over a hot grill and no more dangerous bristles. The secret, our chainmail-linked system, driven by a powerful high-torque motor that's built for a lifetime of punishing abuse. Yet it's safe to use and won't pop this delicate balloon. Try that with your wired brush. And look, it cleans the top and sides at the same time. We burnt cheese, onions, beef, and sticky barbecue sauce, then used Giddy Up to blast away the grime in no time. The best part? The brush head is dishwasher safe and reusable, making it the last grill brush you'll ever need. It's even rechargeable. And look, it has a bright LED light to grill at night. So don't wait. Start grilling safely, America, with Giddy Up. Order now.